Have you ever wondered how to design a clean and realistic citrus juicer in SolidWorks? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create this complete model from the base ball to the juice extractor cone with professional techniques. So let's begin. And welcome back to Quick Design. If you are into SolidWorks tutorials, product design and 3D modeling, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. Okay, first we start with the base profile of the juice bowler. Select a right plane and sketch. One is horizontal and one is vertical line, and the dimension horizontal line is 30 mm and vertical line will be 65 and horizontal 30, and use a spline. Make it vertical as well as horizontal. The handle length will be 75 mm and the angle will be 69° and handle length will be 65 mm, as you can see on my screen. Once the sketch is completed, use the revolve boss base feature. Okay. Again select the right plane. Select center line. Create a center line from this point to that point. Also horizontal line, as you can see on. Make these three center line will be a line, not in a construction geometry. This small gap is 5 mm and the horizontal length will be 75 mm and this line will be 8 mm. Okay, and the vertical length will be 22 mm. Again select the fillet. The radius is 50 mm. Fillet number 1 is 15 mm and the another fillet is 4 mm. Select this point and hit the green check. Again select the fillet, make it 3 mm. Select this point and hit the green check. Our sketch is fully defined. Select surface and revolve surface. Always keep your sketch fully defined for better control. If you do not do better control, you make a lot of mistakes. Select this face, make it thicken 2 mm and mark the result. The next step will be, we are going to use 3-face fillet. Select this face, second face will be these, and the third face will be these. Must be tangent propagation. Perfect. Again select fillet, select this edge and the fillet will be 5 mm. Hit the green check. Now select part and make it appearances will be orange. So it looks better, as you can see on my screen. I hope you have liked and subscribed to my channel, and please comment if you like this video. I really appreciate. Okay, in the next step we are going to use right plane and sketch. Revolve sketch 1 should be converted into the sketch 3. Select all these and make it for construction geometry. Select line, select these to that point, as you can see on my screen, and make it construction geometry. This is a very important step. You have to see very carefully. If you make a mistake, it will not fully define, or you make a lot of mistakes. Okay, select construction geometry this way, or the dimension of this point to that point is 10 mm. Perfect. In the next step, front plane, make a center rectangle. The horizontal length is 15 mm and vertical is 20 mm. Select this and this line, make it coincident. Again, still moving, select this construction geometry point and this line, make coincident, so our sketch is fully defined. This is very important step. We are making some important things. Select all and make it construction geometry. Select all these things for construction geometry. Perfect. In the next step, select 3D sketch. Zoom in, select point, this point and that point. Okay, it should be on surface. Okay, select this point and this center rectangle, it should be along with Z direction. Perfect. Select this point and that point also along with Z direction. And hit the green check. The sketch is fully defined. As you can see, we have created 2 points on the surface. This is very important step in SolidWorks. The next step will be select a plane, top plane, and the second reference is this point. We have previously created 2 points. Select plane 1 and sketch. Okay, select plane 1, select spline, and the boat handle should be in a above direction. Same way, select line and make it joint and make it construction, and the angle is 45 degrees on the right side as well, on the left side also, and the handle length will be 20. I hope you have created these things. Select this construction geometry and this vertical line, make it coincident. Select these two and make it mirror it. Again, our sketch is not fully defined. As you can see, 3D sketch 1, it should be visible, and we have created these two dots, make it coincident. Perfect. Again, still moving. Select this point and this point, make it coincident. Yeah, perfect. This way our sketch is fully defined. Okay, in the next step is again select 3D sketch. I am going to use spline on surface. Select this point and the vertical and inclined 45° previously we have created, and make it snap it. As you can see on my screen, adjust these things. Bottom line will be along X. Again, select spline on surface. Select this point. The error shows unsolvable. The sketch is unsolvable, so we need to solve this. So how I have solved this, as you can see on my screen. Again, select spline on surface. Then select this point and do not merge this point. Okay, and select this. We have created 45° construction geometry and make it coincident, so the spline will be merged. Select these two point and make it tangent. Perfect. This way we are going to do opposite direction. We can't mirror this spline because we are in a 3D sketch. To fully define, select this point and make it Z angle. Select this point and this point, make along Z axis. Remember we have created a center square, so this point. Okay, the next step is again select 3D sketch and select this line, zoom in, select this point and that point, stretch the spline vertically and horizontally. This direction will be X and this point should be in a Y position, so I am going to use I think I have selected Y. make it tangent. Oops, over define. These things we need to do carefully. Again select spline, don't merge it, select this and this point, make it coincident, it should be over defined. However, I have said previously, make it this point and this construction geometry we have to select and make it coincident. I'll remove midpoint, it should be in a coincident position. Perfect. Select this spline and that spline, make it tangent. To create, make a fully defined, this one will along with Z direction. Upper spline is fully defined. Select this point and that point, make it along with Z direction. The spline will be fully defined. And the handle length is 17 mm. Okay, the next step is select the right plane and sketch. Select point, select this point and hit the green check. Perfect. We are creating 2 points in different planes. Okay, therefore we can cut by using a lofted cut. Again select right plane and sketch. This is very important step. And select this point and hit the green check. Perfect. We have created 2 points in this section. Designers, this is the most important step. How I cut loft. Very carefully select sketch 9 point and select sketch 5. This profile we have created spline and the guided will be 2 3D sketch. Perfect. And again select profile point. We have created 2 points, remember. This way you can cut by using a lofted cut. In the next step we are going to use circular pattern. Direction will be this and the features will be this. I am going to pattern how many number of instances I want. Select 10. It doesn't look good. Again select 8. It's fine. Select 6, 7. Perfect. 7 number is fine. Make it 8. Hit the green check. Oops, rebuild geometry. So I am going to select 7 or 6. 6 will be fine. Perfect. It should be in a vertical position. My geometry looks like weird position. I have changed into the 7. If I use 8, it doesn't work, patterns fails. So what I can do, here 3D sketch 2, I forgot it. This plane will be along with y direction, and hit the green check. Perfect. Now this is the perfect shape. Again select circular pattern and make it 8 or 9. I am going to create 10. Guys, this is the last step. If you enjoyed this video, if you have created this citrus juicer, please subscribe and hit the like button. I really appreciate if you like this. So select this face and make a construction geometry, horizontal line, select center rectangle, the vertical length is 2 mm, zoom in and the fillet will be 0.5 mm. Select all 4 points. Perfect. Select this line and this circular profile, make it tangent. Again select this circle and this line, make it tangent. Perfect. Our sketch is fully defined. I am going to use extrude cut. Select this profile and make it cut it. Okay, the next step is circular pattern. Direction will be this circle and the features to face, use cut extrude 1. I am going to pattern it 69, maybe, yes, 69 instance 69 pattern I have created. And that's it. You have successfully designed a manual citrus juicer in SolidWorks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more design tutorials.